Good day everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have here the mountain bike, and basically it is not working, or I am not using it because of flat tire. So rather than sending the bicycle to the tire repair shop, or searching for a new tube, the inner tube, I will going to teach you how to repair it, so you don't need to search for the inner tube, and in your convenient place you can able to repair it. Okay, so what you need is basically double adhesive tape. In this particular, I have here a 3M double adhesive tape, Loctite, any super glue, scissor, and your screwdriver, long nose or plier. The screwdriver, basically the butt screwdriver, will be used to open the tube. On top of it, you need a bucket with water, and also the hand pump, the air pump. Okay, so we will going to start to open the tire using our flat screwdriver. Okay, so since everything is ready, we can start to repair the tube, inner tube. Okay, so what we need to do is first to release all the air inside the tube, so make sure that it is completely empty. Okay, so using the flat screwdriver, we will open the tube. Make sure that you don't pinch the tube with your screwdriver. Okay, so we'll fully open the tube, the tire. Once it is fully open, we have to remove the inner tube. Push here. Bring it out. So now it's already out. What we need to do is to pump some air in order for us to check the air leak or the puncture. Okay, so using your air pump, we pressurize the tube just a little bit. Okay, so this is enough, and then this. The tube, we will dip here and see if there's any bubbles. Okay, so no bubble. Oh, no bubble. No bubble. Okay, so there you are. We find the bubbles is there, so that means that the puncture is there, so we need to mark it. Okay, using your pen or marker, or even you can scratch it, so like this, scratch it. So this is the part in here. Okay, so I made a mark. Now we need to wipe a cloth. So we'll wipe it, we'll dry it, then this area we'll put the super glue. Using the super glue, we have to put here, okay, on that part, you see. So what I suggest is we better release the air pressure. Okay, now we keep it dry, and then using our 3M, or this is 3M Scotch double adhesive tape, we're going to cut a square piece of this. And then you will going to patch it like this. Okay, now we'll check if there is any bubbles. You see, there is no more bubbles. Okay, so when you put inside the tire, or inside the tire, it will once it expands, it will also torque or force this to seal more. Okay, so as you see here, there's no more leak. So imagine this, if you put it inside the tire and you pump air, it will expand. When it expands, this will create more attachment to the tube. Okay, so you will fix back the tube inside the tire by releasing more air. Okay, so we'll fix back the tube. Make sure this is fully out, like that. So this bike has not been used for some time because of this tube, and it's not that easy to find the tube, and also it's time consuming. You have to go for the go to the bicycle shop to find the tube, whereby you can fix it even without super glue, using only the double adhesive tape. You can repair your bike, your tube, the tire tube. And this has been tested. I did this many times. Okay, so make sure the bulb is straight up. not leaning. Okay, so now we're gonna pump the air. Okay. Okay, so put the tube, the cup. Then we will soak it in a bath of water so that we can verify also. But that solves the problem because I have did it for the other type before. Okay. If you like the video, please like and subscribe so you get to know more knowledge, practical knowledge to fix your daily maintenance or repair works. And hopefully in future I could able to start giving more training about machineries and equipments. Okay, so that solves the problem, and I hope you like the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe.